Get ready for a treat so nice and neat. Hot honey tenders with mac and cheese. FBB. First step, my friends, listen to me. Marinate the chicken, let it eat. Rest it for hours, 1 or 2. Overnight, that's what you do. Cooking with love, cooking with ease, making hot honey tenders with mac and cheese. Next up, it's time to coat in flour and batter. Take a note, dip them in, let them dress for a crispy coat. Nothing less. Boil the pasta till it's right. Creamy cheese sauce, oh so light. Mix it in, let it blend. Mac and cheese are perfect end. Honey and spice, all things nice. Add a bit of chili for a fiery spice. Golden tenders, crispy and sweet. With mac and cheese, it's a feast to greet. There you have it, a dish so divine. Serve it with love, let those flavors shine. Hot honey tenders, mac and cheese on the side. Oh, a meal to enjoy with a hint of pride.